In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Apple ID password. This is crucial for maintaining the security of your personal information and digital life. Since your Apple ID grants access to various services like iCloud, iTunes, and the App Store, it holds sensitive data such as emails, photos, and payment details. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the Settings page, tap right here on your Apple ID profile. Select on this option of Password and Security. On this page, tap onto this very first option of Change Password. You will have to first enter your current phone passcode. Then enter your new password. Re-enter the password and tap on Change. Your Apple ID account password will get changed successfully. A strong, frequently updated password helps protect your accounts from being compromised and ensures your personal information remains secure. That's how easy it is to change Apple ID account password. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.